Good morning, my name is Denise. Welcome to Suncoast Crafting. Today we will look at Yioittio's Gray Cat from a set of 9 cat diamond paintings. I worked on this cat mostly in the first week of August 2022. The Gray Cat project took me about 17 hours. Let's talk about the pattern. The set of 9 cats was $23.39 on Amazon, so each cat was $2.60 in October of 2021. The 12-inch by 12-inch or 30-centimeter by 30-centimeter full round pattern has diamonds in 22 different colors, which are matched to DMC colors. Let's diamond paint. Was this fun? Yes, this was fun. I love cat pictures in diamond paintings, coloring books, and cross-stitch. I like this one especially because it looks a lot like my cat, Mimi. Isn't she cute? It did have a lot of confetti, but look at how nicely the cat comes out. And there are 22 colors in such a small pattern. But that's how you get the depth of color in this picture. I'm glad I used a light pad on this one. I did have an issue with the kit popping drills continuously while I was working on it. The biggest issues were in the upper right-hand corner where there were some areas with no stick at all. I added dot stick in that upper right corner, I let it dry a little, and then added the drills. After I added the dot stick, that upper right corner is the one area where the drills didn't pop. After the cat was complete, it was sprayed with Minwax polyacrylic spray. We are definitely on our second can and quickly working toward our third can. The gray cat was fun because it reminded me of Mimi. I love cat pictures anyway, but this small kit was a perfect project to work on when the feels like temperature outside was over 100 degrees Fahrenheit or about 37 degrees Celsius during a hot August week in Tampa. I hope that you have fun with the cat diamond painting kit. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to working on more projects you are interested in. Please like and subscribe and join us again for Suncoast Crafting.